Did you know that people on the keto diet can lose up to 10 pounds in just their first week? This astonishing fact not only grabs your attention, but also sets the stage for exploring how the keto lifestyle can transform weight loss journeys. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to achieving your goals with keto. Welcome to our journey into the world of keto. This isn't just another diet trend. It's a transformative approach to shedding pounds quickly and healthily. Today, we'll explore how keto can revolutionize your weight loss journey. Get ready to discover practical tips and insights for a healthier, more vibrant you. As we journey through the realm of weight loss, many find themselves battling the same formidable foes. The promises of traditional diets often crumble, leaving us disheartened and defeated. Why do these diets, followed by millions, often fail to deliver lasting results? The answer lies in their surface-level approach, which overlooks the deeper, underlying causes of weight gain. Traditional diets typically impose rigid restrictions, focusing solely on calorie counting or temporary deprivation. Yet, they seldom address the intricate dance of hormones and metabolism that truly governs our weight. Consider this: the frequent cycle of weight loss and regain is not just a failure of willpower, but a signal that the system itself is flawed. These diets often lead to a slowdown in metabolism, making it even harder to keep the pounds off once they are shed. As we delve deeper, it becomes clear that a more comprehensive solution is needed, one that targets the root causes of weight issues and aligns with our body's natural processes. Now, let's pivot from these frustrations and explore a path that promises not just weight loss, but a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. In the next segment, we'll uncover how the keto diet harnesses your body's innate power to transform your weight loss journey. The keto diet is a fascinating shift in how our bodies process energy. By dramatically reducing carbohydrates and increasing healthy fats, it triggers ketosis, a metabolic state where fat becomes the primary fuel source. This shift not only helps in shedding unwanted pounds, but also enhances energy levels and mental clarity. Many find that the keto diet supports sustained weight loss, offering a solution when traditional diets fall short. To embark on your keto journey, start by gradually reducing carbs and integrating more healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Stay hydrated and consider tracking your progress to stay motivated. Remember, the key is consistency and patience as your body adapts to this new metabolic state. With these principles in mind, the keto diet can be a transformative tool in achieving your weight loss goals. As we dive deeper into actionable strategies, let's explore how you can maximize the benefits of keto for a healthier, more vibrant you. Here are the top strategies to kickstart your keto journey, straight from those who've succeeded. First, start by embracing the low-carb lifestyle gradually. Transitioning slowly helps your body adapt to using fat as fuel. Next, focus on whole foods. Prioritize nutrient-rich vegetables and high-quality proteins to nourish your body effectively. Adding healthy fats like avocados and nuts can boost your energy and keep you satisfied. Remember, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water supports your metabolism and can ease the transition into ketosis. Now, let's hear from those who've walked this path before. Sarah found success by planning her meals meticulously, while John's key insight was the importance of community support. Joining online forums or local keto groups can provide encouragement. Finally, be patient with yourself. Keto is a journey, not a race. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. These insights form a solid foundation for a sustainable keto lifestyle. As we transition to our next segment, consider how these strategies can fit into your daily routine. Up next, we'll summarize the powerful benefits that keto can bring to your weight loss journey. Stay tuned. To recap, the keto diet offers a transformative path to weight loss success. By shifting your body into fat-burning mode, it effectively addresses the common pitfalls of traditional diets. Remember, with keto, you're not just losing weight, you're embracing a healthier lifestyle. Stay motivated and let keto be your guide to achieving your goals. Share your keto journey in the comments below. Dive deeper into our channel for more tips and strategies to fuel your success. Let's keep this conversation going and unlock the full potential of a keto lifestyle together. Don't miss out on the wealth of knowledge waiting for you in our other videos.